Welcome to JA Auto Cars, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Renault Kwid, a compact SUV-inspired hatchback that's making waves in the market. Let us explore what this new model has to offer. The 2025 Renault Kwid gets a bold design update, featuring a muscular front grille, redesigned LED DRLs, and sharp headlamps that give it a modern and aggressive look. The sculpted body lines and stylish alloy wheels add to its sporty and dynamic appeal. Under the hood, the Kwid is powered by a 1.0-liter petrol engine, available in both manual and AMT options. It's BS6 compliant and offers a smooth and fuel-efficient drive, with an impressive mileage of 20 to 22 km/h. The engine is refined, making it ideal for city traffic and occasional highway trips. Step inside, and the 2025 Kwid greets you with a spacious and premium cabin. The updated interior features a digital instrument cluster, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a sleek dual-tone dashboard. The seats are well cushioned, providing ample comfort for both driver and passengers. When it comes to safety, Renault has taken it up a notch. The Kwid is equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. The build quality meets modern safety standards, ensuring a secure drive for your family. The car's compact size and high ground clearance make it perfect for navigating urban roads and tackling uneven surfaces. Its suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. One of the highlights of the 2025 Kwid is its affordability without compromising on features. With a starting price of around 5 Indian rupees lakhs, it offers excellent value for money, making it a great choice for first-time car buyers and budget-conscious drivers. So, is the 2025 Renault Kwid worth it? Absolutely. With its bold design, practical features, and impressive performance, the Kwid continues to stand out in its segment. Whether you're looking for a stylish city car or an economical daily driver, the Kwid ticks all the boxes. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JA Auto Cars for more exciting car content. Let us know in the comments what car you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.